Hey there, InstaFam. Ever wanted to spice up your stories with not just one, but a collage of your favorite moments? Well, you're in luck. Today, I'm going to walk you through the super simple steps to add multiple photos to your Instagram story. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open your Instagram app and swipe right or tap on your profile picture to start a new story. Step 2. Tap the gallery icon on the bottom left to open your photo library. Step 3. Now, here's the cool part. Tap the Select Multiple button, which is right above your photo gallery. Step 4. Choose up to 10 photos by tapping on them. They'll be numbered in the order you select them. Step 5. Once you've got your selection, hit Next. You can now swipe through each photo to edit them individually with stickers, text, or whatever you like. Step 6. All set. Tap Next again, and then share to your story. And voila! You've got a multi-photo story that's sure to grab attention, and there you have it, folks. A quick and easy way to showcase a series of photos in your story. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to hit that follow button for more tips and tricks. Catch you on the next story. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, stories are all about creativity, so have fun with it and make it your own. See you next time.